Going. Hello and welcome back to the BM Balancing YouTube channel. Today we're going to be focusing on the interior of the 3 Series from the last video where you saw us clean the outside. The wheels are now back on it and it's ready to come in. Before we go to... Turns out, trying to film something about wheels and getting your big head in the shot is a little bit tricky, so I'm just going to lay down. Down below there is a link to ACC's website, so if you've got scuffed or curbed alloys, we always recommend them for your repairs. Go check them out. As you can see, the leathers are really quite grubby, so we're going to clean them as well. We've already done a little bit here, so that's before, that's after. We're just going to do a quick 50-50 through here so you can see the difference. The leather cleaner that we're using to clean this is Lab Cosmetica Derma Cleaner. It's being used at a 1:1 ratio as recommended on the bottle. And then again, pretty much the same for the door card. We all know what one of these is. And on a second-hand car, or a used car, or even a car that you've had from brand new, over time, it gets really quite dirty, and you just kind of don't notice the gunk building up over time. So here's a clean cloth, and this is the dirt that comes off of the steering wheel